Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video, I'll show you how to change app icons on any iPhone. But guys, before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to support this channel. And don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing, make sure you have iOS 13 on higher. You'll need to use the Shortcuts app to make your apps look the way you want, which is only available on iOS 13 or later. If you wanna go the full aesthetic route and add in widgets, plus be able to hide your old app icons, you'll need to have iOS 14. So, you guys have to go to Shortcuts apps on your phone. And then in this page, you have hit the plus button in the upper right hand corner. Then after that, hit add action. After that, you have to search open app. And then tap on it. Tap choose here. App you're redesigning. Your whole app library should be present, so just choose which one you want to work with. And here I'm choose FaceTime. And once you choose, tap the three blue dots in the upper right corner. This will bring you further into this specific shortcut settings. Tap on Add to Home Screen here. After that, tap on the icon next to your renamed app on the next screen to change the image. A pop-up will appear that will ask you to choose between taking a photo, choosing an exciting photo, or choosing a file. If you have an image saved that you want your new app icon to look like, choose Photo here and select the image and tap choose again. Tap add in the upper right hand corner. Once you tap add, you can exit the shortcut app and your new app icon should display on your home screen. You can do this as many times as there are apps you would like to redesign. If you're like me and have more apps than you really use, I would recommend only doing this for the app you use most often. And if you wanna delete the icon, press and hold it, then select delete bookmark here. So guys, that's all from me. Thanks for watching this video. I'm waiting for your response in the comment box below. I'll see you soon on the next one and good luck!